What's up, you guys? Hope you're all doing good and welcome to our Drain Dot channel once again. For those who are visiting our channel for the first time, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Jagdish, a software developer with around 10 years of experience. In our channel, we have been trying to cover the basics of Java programming. If you are interested in learning Java from the fundamentals, don't forget to subscribe and check out our videos. In our recent past videos, we have been talking about the collection framework in Java and what are the various implementations of the collections like the list, set and the map. We have been receiving lots of questions on the difference between the implementation of the list interface and the implementation of the set. One major difference that you could found between the implementation of a list and a set lies in allowing of the duplicates. To make it very simple, let's try to create in a class. So this is a sample class which I have already created for the purpose of the previous demonstrations. Here let's take one implementation of a list interface and one implementation of the set, and let's see how those implementations are handling those elements. So I'm going to take array list as one of the example, and my array list is going to hold strings, and this is going to be my list equals new array list of, okay, and going to hold new array list, and you will get an error because I have not included the package. I have to include the array list which is sitting inside the array list package. And here I'm going to add elements to my list. So I'm going to add elements like max. I'm going to add 3 strings over here: max, signs and signs. So let this be signs. Okay, so I have had the 3 elements to my list. So those 3 elements are max, signs and max, and let's try to print in this particular thing. So list data is my list. Okay, so this program is not complicated at all. I have just created a new array list and I have added 3 elements to my list. So I've added max and I've added signs and I've added once again max. And now I'm going to create a set implementation. So let it be an hash set. So hash set of a string. So let this be name be my set equals new hash set. Okay, new hash set of string. And I'm going to add, and once again there is an error because we have not included the package for the hash set. So when you click on this, it will ask you to cannot be resolved to a type, change to hash set Java util. Okay, yeah. So I've included the hash set from the Java util package. Now to this hash set, I'm going to add once again 3 elements. So dot add of, I'm going to add elements like Tom, and I'm going to add Tom and Jerry. Okay, and I'm going to print in these elements. So set data is, I'm going to print in my set. So this program, like to reiterate what we have seen, I have created a list and I have added 3 elements to my list: max, signs and max, and I've created a hash set, and I have added 3 elements to my hash set: Tom and Jerry. As I told you before, the main difference between a list implementation and the set implementation lies in how we handle the duplicates. So array list is an implementation, so all the implementations of the list interface allows duplicates, but whereas a set implementation does not allow duplicates. And since the set does not allow duplicates, and if you insert the object of the same name, once again it overwrites the previous value. Now if you try to run this particular program, so first the list data gets printed, so max and signs max, and set data is Tom and Jerry. If you keenly watch the data, I have added max, signs and max. Even though max is a duplicate object that has been added to my list, it still retains the duplicate data. So this is what we say, like list allows duplicates, but whereas in case of the set, even though I added Tom twice, it does not allow duplicates, and only Tom gets printed only once. So this is the basic difference of a list implementation and the set implementation. Hope you found this video informative. If you have any further questions related to list and the set implementations, don't forget to comment it out. We'll try to reply you or try to make a video out of it. And if you really like this video, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll meet you in the next exciting video soon. Thank you.